Welcome to the Windows Club. If you constantly have to switch users on Windows to get their work done, it sometimes becomes difficult for users to switch back to another account using just one method. But when you introduce multiple methods to do the same thing, the user gets some options that help them stick to a single method that is really comfortable for them. In this video, I will show you the easiest and most effective methods to switch users on Windows PC. Let's get started. Use the Windows login screen. If you are already on the Windows sign-in screen, switching users is simple. Look at the bottom left corner of the screen. All available user accounts will appear there. Click the account you want to use and sign in. Use the Start menu. The Start menu is one of the most useful components of Windows. Even a Start button on the taskbar is something that really matters. Click the Start menu or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Now click your account picture on the left side of the Start menu. You will be able to see the available user accounts on your PC. Simply click the account you want to switch to and follow the on-screen instructions to sign in. Use the WINKEY combination. Another way to switch to a different user is to get on the lock screen. If you have a dedicated button to get on the lock screen, you can just hit that to get on the lock screen and get switched to another account. One console total endpoint control manage engine Zoho. Otherwise, if your keyboard does not have a dedicated button, you can use the Win plus L button combination on any computer to get the lock screen to switch to a different one. Using the Task Manager. If you're already signed in the background to another user account, you have another trick, although it is worth noting that is an option can also be used to connect to different users on the same server in many other alternative ways. Just open the Task Manager, pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape and switch to the tab labeled as Users. Right-click on your preferred user account name listing and select Switch User Account. Use Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. You might remember hitting the Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete every time your computer needs to freeze, as some nasty program used to mess up all the resources. Now to switch user, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. A blue security screen will appear. Click Switch User. You can select the appropriate options to get the switch to another account on your computer. Use Alt plus F4. Just like the Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete button combination, the Alt plus F4 option has evolved as well. Go to an empty area on your desktop, press Alt plus F4 key combination from the drop-down menu, select Switch User, then click OK or press Enter. Windows will return to the login screen where you can choose another account. Create a desktop shortcut. If you switch users frequently, you can even create a desktop shortcut that takes you directly to the switch user screen. This can save time and give you one-click access whenever you need it. You can follow this guide for details. And those are some of the easiest ways to switch users on Windows. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Windows Club for more Windows tips and tricks and troubleshooting guides. And let us know in the comments which method you use the most. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.